Today we got a Chevy Silverado. This is a tri-coat. This is a very difficult color. You can see it has a lot of metallic in it. It's a very nice color. We have the VIN numbers right here. So what we do is we get the VIN number. This is a very nice color. Very nice color. You can see that. So what we do on our system, we're here at Certified Collision Works, so I'm going to show you how we were able to color match the system. Come in here, got some old school plaques right there. See, on our mixing system, we have I'll show you right here, it says Vindicator. So we enter the VIN number there, we enter the make. They say that was what's it, Chevy General Motors, right? So we'll put General Motors here. Let me see if I can give you, where's it at? General Motors, where's it at? General Motors right here. You'll put the paint code there and the VIN number. And what will happen is it'll populate a paint code. We have one already here, so I'm gonna show you what it looks like. So we have, let's see. It's gonna give you this formula right there, see it? I don't know if you can see it. Basically what it does, it breaks down every color that it needs to make that color, okay? So it gives all these different toners, right? And so then we come to our mixing bank here. And each number on it has a number on there. And then if we have any issues with that color, we actually have a color chip book here. So we can pull this color chip book. So we have some reds, we'll pull this color chip book. And now we can compare it. We have a bunch of different things that we can compare that color to. Okay? And then once we find one that looks pretty much exact, then we'll come to the back and we'll get that paint coat off of there, right? So, for example, you might have a vehicle that was manufactured up north, right? Well, that color is going to be a shade different from one that was, you know, on the West Coast. We're in the process of getting these parts painted. I'm going to show you what it looks like, the finished product. So stay tuned. There's some that was already mixed. I don't know if there's some. This is actually the candy that goes on top of that. Like I said, that color right there is a very expensive color because it takes a top coat on there. It takes this top coat on that other color. So like, for example, let's say, like, I'm gonna show you how it looks here. So I'm gonna pour some here and I'm gonna like dab it around, right? Okay, so this is gonna be the base coat. So I don't know if this is gonna work, but I'm just kind of messing around here. But this is the base coat, right? This is gonna be the ground coat of that vehicle. We'll let that dry and then we apply this other color on top and you'll see how it gives it that look. Wow, look at that. See it? It gives that color. So we have a complete mixing bank here. We can mix any factory color, and we make sure we use only the best PPS mixing system. This is a liner system that we use. So we have all our processes right there. Toners, we have everything right here. Everything is kind of up to date. So let us know if we can help with any claims. Certified Collision Works.